U.S. He and his wife lived in a really small town and he owned the grocery store. After he passed away, my family was going through the stuff in his house and found a box of letters he had hidden from everyone. Every letter was a thank you from different families he helped during the Dust Bowl. People would be running from the Dust Bowl and pass through his town. He would give them free food to last them until they reached their destinations. Many of the letters thanked him for saving their lives and stuff like that. He took this secret to the grave, literally. Not even his wife knew. I've heard mention that maybe she wouldn't have been quite as pleased, but I don't know about that. I just think that's super cool and I'm very proud of him. I have a lot of weird stories about my family that I never get to tell. 4. In the early 60s, my dad had a nervous breakdown. Due to severe abuse as a child, while in Army basic training, he was sent to a mental hospital and released to his family when he was deemed well. After a while, he started hearing voices and was readmitted to another mental hospital. Around that same time, my mother, who had recently gotten divorced from her first husband, lost her mother and she tried to commit suicide. She was admitted to that same mental hospital. They got married in 1965. 5. When me and my slightly older cousins were kids,